Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Capcut templates with an unstable network connection. First, open the Capcut application on your mobile device. Then, navigate to the Templates section within the app. From there, you can select a template you wish to use for your video project. This initial step is crucial for starting your creative process, even when facing connectivity challenges. When your network is unstable, try optimizing your connection. Ensure your device connects to the most stable Wi-Fi network available, perhaps a 5 GHz band if supported. Moving closer to your Wi-Fi router can significantly improve signal strength. Also, temporarily disable other applications consuming significant bandwidth, like streaming services, to free up network resources for Capcut. These small adjustments can make a big difference. A smart strategy is to download your chosen template when your internet connection is stable. This proactive step allows you to edit your video project without needing an active internet connection during the creative process. Capcut often stores these downloaded assets, typically requiring about 10 to 50 megabytes per template, for later use, providing a smoother editing experience even with an unstable network. If you still face issues, try some troubleshooting steps. Restart your Capcut application and your device. This often resolves minor glitches. You can also clear the cache of the Capcut app in your device settings, which might free up some space. If complex templates are problematic, consider using a simpler one, as they require less data to load and process, offering a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.